Today we will be making a Sloe Gin Sour twist called a Crimson Mainsail. We'll be using Plymouth Sloe Gin, Maker's Mark, Bourbon as a twist, some fresh lemon juice, some sugar syrup and egg white. My name is Josh Mack and I am from Hains Co. Sloe gin being gin that has been macerated in sloe berries. Today we're going to be using 40 ml of the Plymouth. You can also use substitute like elephant sloe gin, works really well. Has a lot of really nice like unfiltered spice and things like that, which work really, really well in this cocktail. We'll be using 15 Maker's Mark Bourbon. Also works really well in this cocktail, being a bit more of a wheat-based bourbon as opposed to malted barley bourbons mainly. Gets a really good viscosity and some really nice maple syrup characteristics, work really well in this cocktail. We'll be using 30 ml lemon juice, some fresh lemon juice that I've already pressed. We'll be using 10 ml sugar syrup, just a 1-to-1 sugar syrup for this one, just to bind it all together and balance out the drink. And we'll be using just under 30 ml of egg white, so around 22 and a half. Straighten that like that. You can see I've pre-chilled the ice glass with just some crushed ice, works really well. You can also add some water if you want to speed up that chill as well. Works really well. Like most sours, this will call for a dry shake, so meaning you get a nice hard shake to emulsify the egg white and really lift all the spirits and the components of this drink. And then we'll be giving it a wet shake, which means using ice to just balance that out a bit more and carry the drink. Give that a little taste. Beautiful. Slice up our shaker. Give that a nice hard shake. And just discard your ice. Make sure you get all that out because you don't want that to water down the drink. Now I'm just going to give that a double strain now. Beautiful. Lovely. So we're going to garnish that today with some dehydrated grapefruit for some nice aesthetics and colour. And also a couple of drops of Angostura bitters. And here's your Crimson Mainsail.